Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to you guys. I really hope at this point of time you have done your social media marketing campaign for your clients and have started to optimize the campaign to get the desired results. So in today's topic, I'm going to go through analytics and optimization. But before that, before I talk about social media marketing insights and its data analytics process, let's look at the notion or the current phenomena in organization whereby how ready we are with the data. So in one of the studies by Davenport, Thomas, and also Harris, it says that the readiness of our data of the organization when it comes to data analytics are divided into 5 stages. The first stage is analytically impaired, whereby organization that is in this stage have limited interest in analytics by senior management. The second stage is what we call as localized analytics, whereby in this stage, line of business management are driving analytics momentum, meaning to say in that organization, only certain part of the group that have used data analytics for decision making and also strategy. Stage 3 is what we call as analytical aspirations, whereby in this stage, senior executives are committed to analytics. Resources are aligned to create a broad analytics capability. The next one, analytical company. This is where organization has this enterprise-wide analytics capability and is under development as a corporate priority. Data analytics is one of the tools that is being used in their organization for decision making and also strategy. It's a data-driven organization. And the last one is stage 5, where organization is routinely reaping the benefits of enterprise-wide analytics, where data analytics or insights that they obtain are used as competitive edge for the organization, and they continuously improve their process, the practice in the organization based on the data that they have. What is the current trend right now when it comes to digital marketing analytics or social media marketing analytics? Company currently spends about 6.7% of their marketing budgets on analytics and expect to spend 11.1% over the next 3 years, according to the most recent CMO survey. Meaning to say, more and more organizations are ready to adopt or to use data analytics to help them to offer better services and to achieve the organization objective based on the data that they have. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the science of examining raw data with the purpose of drawing conclusions about that information. Data analytics is used in many industries to allow companies and organizations to make better decisions. So in our case, we have used several platforms to improve the digital marketing practice of your clients. Some of you guys have used website, Facebook, YouTube, MailChimp, TikTok, and also Instagram. Each platform has the ability to track, collect, recording, and analysis of data for optimizing business results. So the data that you've got also from all these platforms can help you to design better experience, better poster, better creatives, and also better website or web page. For example, the data that you obtain from your websites from Google Analytics or any analytics that is being installed on the website will help you understand the user movement, user behavior on the website. Sometimes you will see, based from the data that you have, there are big drop-off or people did not go to certain page or stuck in certain page. So perhaps you might want to visit or revisit this website, look at the design and how can we improve the design, right? To optimize the user experience. Sometimes people cannot see clearly the button, instructions is confusing, so those things can actually help you or can be done or can be improved based on the data that we've got from the website insights. So what you see on the screen right now is basically the dashboard of Google Analytics and other analytics services or platform that shows to you some numbers on user behavior, visitors, and so on and so forth. But the thing is, you've got all this data that's available on your Facebook, on your website, on Instagram, on your TikTok. Yeah, but those things, it's not really, sometimes you don't know what to use or how can you use that data until you have clearly in your mind what is the goals and objectives. So that's also the reason why it is important for you to look back at the objectives of you running the social media campaign. For instance, what is the goal of your social media campaign? You want to create brand awareness. You want to have more leads to your website. You want to have more engagement. But that's some of the goals. Okay. And now, after you have identified all the goals, you've run your social media campaign and you look at all those data. Does the data that you obtain achieved the results that you have desired? So this is a question that you need to ask yourself. So for any social media campaign, you need to have a goals, right? For example, actions that increase revenue for the website. What are the tactics? What are the actions that you need to do? The steps in the process of a user meeting a goal. For instance, like what you've done, social media marketing campaign. What is the KPIs? KPIs is known as key performance indicators. So perhaps KPIs is basically the metrics that help you to track your success. Number of likes, for example, number of engagement, number of leads to your website, and so on and so forth. Number of people who make the calls, okay? So those things are actually related. So analyzing each step in the process is what we call as funnel analysis. And we have discussed funnel analysis, funnel in digital marketing, at the very beginning of our course. It starts with persuasion and then down up until conversion. When you do digital marketing campaign through all these platforms, you are able to see how it moves from one funnel to the last funnel. For example, in persuasion, you do advertisement, okay? You do advertisement, you do marketing campaign because you want to create interest among or create awareness among your potential user. And then out of this post, there are people who will subscribe to your email, right? And then they will consider, right, to join your program, for example. And lastly, they will go to your website to register as a potential user or potential student. Hi, welcome back. Now I'm going to share with you on Facebook Insights I know some of you guys at this point of time has covered or has explored Facebook Insights to get to know more about the performance of your social media marketing campaign. So, what to track using Facebook Insights? So, Facebook Page Insights can help you to answer these important business questions: the reach and also the engagement. How many people saw your post? Who interacted with them? Which post did people hide? Did people report any posts as spam? We also can know what kind of actions that people take on your page. How many people actually click on call to action button that you have decided on your post? How many people click through to your website? These are some of the actions that we can know from the Facebook Insights through the post that you published. We can also know about the people, followers, the people who likes. What are the demographics of the people who visit your page? When do people visit your page? How do people find your page? And in terms of views, how many people are viewing your page? Which sections are they looking at? And we also can know what kind of post that have obtained high engagement, what kind of posts that have obtained low engagement, low actions, which one performed, and how can we do, or what can we learn from that? So these are some of the terminology of Facebook Insights. First one is reach, the number of unique people who saw your content. Engagement shows how much people interact with the content. Factors that influence engagement include users' comments, shares, likes, and more. Engagement is one of the most important Facebook metrics you can track. One, engagement is a sign that people actually like the content you are sharing. Third one, fans of brand who have explicitly liked a brand. And what about page views? Number of people who views the page by location, gender, and the rest. And there's also action on page. What actions do people take from the page? For example, get direction links, website clicks, phone number clicks, or any action button clicks. And in terms of posts, what post posted or published? What about its engagement rate? Do we need to boost or to create ad based on the post? A category of posts that we have published, whether it's video, photo, or shared video. We can have all these insights from Facebook. Okay, welcome back. What you see on the screen right now is basically a Facebook Insights of Osman Hashim International Business School. So this is basically the back end where you can actually see the overview of the performance, Facebook performance so far, the results, who is the audience, feedback that we got, right? And also the overview of the content. If you see here, I have created a goal for our social media campaign, which is to increase reach. So I have set the goal from 30K goal for the reach from 8 January until 5th February, both for Facebook and also Instagram. If you want to set a goal, right, for your social media marketing campaign, now you can always use this feature to create the goals, right? So there are two types of goals that you can create: increase reach and also grow follower. So this is the goals. So how can you increase? So what kind of actions that you need to do in order for you to improve your goals, right? So if you click on here, then they will start to create posts. You can start to create posts to achieve the goals. At this point of time, I have achieved so far 3.4K out of 30K, which I set for this particular duration. If you see here, Facebook have provided you with some tips to increase the reach. Share a video post. Engage your audience with a short video about yourself, your business, or your cause. Meaning to say here, video actually increase engagement rate, right, for this account. Okay, so I'll leave it to you. Should you want to create goals for your social media campaign for your clients or your other businesses? So let's look at the reach so far. So basically, this is the reach, the result of the reach so far. If you see on the screen, AHIP's Facebook page reach has decreased to 0.9% as compared to previous session, which is from 14 November until 11 December 2022. However, there is an increase on Instagram reach for 576.5% as compared to the duration of 14 November until 11 December. So page and profile visit, for Facebook page visit, there is a decrease. Both there is decrease, but it's much higher on Instagram, 59.8% as compared to 41% for Facebook. We also have a decrease in terms of likes and followers, right? Page new likes, only we got 34.8% as compared to new Instagram followers, 48.6%. Currently, we are doing Facebook advertisement, right, to increase the number of impression and also reach for people to attend AHIP's Info Day. So as you see from now from the screen, right, paid reach have based on our paid advertisement, we have obtained 6,932 paid reach, okay, and paid impression also has increased. So in terms of audience, this is where you can look at for your audience, okay. For AHIPs, for example, our Facebook page likes or followers are 12,967. Instagram followers, we have 2,300. We have more men on Facebook, but more women on Instagram. And in terms of top town or cities, most of our followers for both platforms are coming from Johor Bahru. Okay. And in terms of top countries, both platform, most of the visitors or followers are coming from Malaysia. But for Facebook, the second highest follower are coming from Bangladesh, followed by Pakistan and also Indonesia. But for Instagram, we have Malaysia, Indonesia, Iran, Pakistan, and also Saudi Arabia. In terms of content, these are some of the contents that we have posted. These are the engagement rate based on the content that we've posted. Okay, and this is the top performing organic post. Highest reach on a post is on Green Marketing Expert, Associate Professor Dr. Fazana. Second one is on Students' Achievement, which is on Dr. Nazima and their two students. Highest comment on a post is also on our Green Marketing Expert. Highest reach on a post, highest reaction, highest comment. See, so you see, if you still remember, one of our strategy is to post a lot of stories about our lecturer, their achievement, because from here, we know that we've got a lot of engagement. And up until now, the results still the same. Okay, so this is basically one of our strategy. Okay, if you look at the content, specific content that we have posted so far, takes a while to Okay, so you can see that for each post, you can actually see their insights. For each post, you can actually see their insights. For example, 2.2K people reach. This one is quite hard. Let's have a look, right? So view insights, you can actually see the number of reactions, comments, and also the number of shares, okay? And whether there is any link clicks based on the post, okay? Right, so this is how you actually check on the insights of each particular post that you have published. This is our advert that we posted to invite people or to create awareness about AHIP's Open Day. So the reach is about 27,000, engagement result. We have 225 link clicks. Okay. Clicks to what? Clicks to feed is not available at this point of time. Okay, but click on the form for them to register for the Open Day.